welcome back to another rzorrwolf Wednesday. As you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing y'all the stuff on my Christmas wish list. Maybe you can take some ideas from it for, yourself, what you want to ask for, or what you might want to get your partner, or even your daughter, I don't know, your granddaughter, whoever's watching this. Yeah, just inspiration. I have a decent amount of things on my wish list because I just like to look at things I want. I have a pretty good list here. So let's just get straight into it. First, I want a flared fur robe because I want to walk around like a vampy princess around my house. I feel like that would just be so sexy. Like, just imagine. I'd be so dramatic. I'd do too much if I had one of those. You gotta take that thing from me. Next, I want new perfume. I like clean, fresh scents. So things like laundry detergent or like clean linen or maybe even rain, because that also, I kind of like that. And also like a weird smell that I really like is when you open a fresh freezer. The smell of fresh air. Maybe that's weird, but I don't know. Usually there's always somebody who, like, even if it's weird or you think it's weird, there's always somebody who has liked it or does like it right now too, because nothing is literally an original experience. Like, literally nothing. And it's so weird because I'm always coming across things that I thought I only did, and then I find out that there's hella other people who have done it already. The world is huge though, so I'm not surprised, but it's still like, dang. Next is argyle and plaid tights because they're so cute. I love these tights so much right now, and they're really cool with layering, like regardless of the weather, honestly, because they're not super thick. You can wear them in the summers, fall, winter. I like to layer them with, and I like to put those on and then layer it with cute tights so that they don't look weird, because honestly they'll make your legs look like noodles. I don't like that, so I like to layer them and then it looks normal after that. Specifically in dark red, grays, blacks, and purples because that's my color palette. So next is plum or light pink headphones. I love over the head headphones. They're so cute and just like low-key kind of stylish. LPS, I really want to build up my LPS collection. If y'all know, I love LPS. And I used to collect them when I was little, but mostly for toys. So I used to paint on them and everything, put them all in a box together, and yeah, they for sure look like little kid toys. So I got rid of them. I'm so sad about that though. I wish I kept them because maybe I could have fixed it. I want new baking pans so bad. I just want new cooking utensils and just stuff to cook with. When you widen your pots and pans horizon, your food gets better. There's specifically this cauldron enclosed like pot thing. What is it called? I forgot what it's called, but I'll put it on the screen. Next I want CDs for my car. I think having CDs in your car is literally the coolest thing ever, and I've seen most people do it, so yeah, I want to do it too because it's just cool. I don't have a car yet, but I am manifesting a car. I want a handmade jewelry jar. Oh my god, handmade jewelry jar is so cute. I just think it would be so fun to pick through a jar and receive a bunch of pretty jewelry. I do want to build up my jewelry collection. I don't know, sometimes y'all can see it in the back here. Not all of them are hanging up though. I'd probably keep it in a jar though. Like, if the jar is like really cute, I'd keep it because that's actually like really cool, and then that's also like really cute storage for your jewelry too. Even though it's kind of impractical because you have to dig through a jar just to find something every single day, and that would be annoying, but I don't care as long as it's cute. Like, I want a custom Blythe doll so badly. They're so cool, especially like the fact that you can customize it to look like you. Like, do you know how cool that is? It would remind me of Coraline 2, which is one of my favorite childhood movies. Oh my god, pin bug art. I really want some pin bug art to hang up. I have like a kind of fake one. It's something for Spirit Halloween. It's really just a decoration, so it's just a decoration. It's not real taxidermy, and that's what I want it to be. Next, I want a long fur trim coat. Long fur trim coats are so cute, perfect for the winter because it covers your entire body. You just walking down the street mysterious as fuck, everybody looking at you like, damn, who is that? And you just like, you get it? Right? Yeah. Press on nails. Press on nails. You don't even want to know the state that my nails are in right now. They can last a long time if you take care of them. I specifically want some off of Etsy because people make them and sell them on there. Since you're on the topic of nails, nail polish and nail gems so that I can do my own nails at home. Very DIY girl over here. Concert tickets. I did not go to as many concerts as I wanted to this year, and I really want to go to more next year, so I want a new purse. because I love purses so much, and a new purse would just heal me. Specifically, a plum juicy couture purse. They are so rare. Like, I don't know how rare they are. I just know that I hardly ever find what I'm looking for. Juicy purses are so cute. I want the notes for a 2 locket. I think it's such a pretty necklace and I really want it so badly. I don't even know if it's still in stock or not, but that necklace is so cute. I actually really like it. And just to show on the topic of necklaces, I want the iGirl devotion chain. I don't even gotta say too much. Like, look at her. I don't even gotta say too much. Like, I want that so bad. I literally probably will get that for myself though. I want some gaming headphones because I'm gonna be starting a gaming YouTube channel soon. So, you know, I want some gaming headphones because the monitor that I'm gonna get does not have a speaker on it. So headphones would be very appreciated. I want to put like something on them just to make them a little cute, like maybe some bat wings on them. A thrifting gift card or a Depop gift card, like either or, just I don't even know, just a gift card to a thrift store or a gift card to Ulta, you know, kind of gift cards you can get for people. You can get a thrift store gift card. The thrift store that I go to, they are always sending text notifications saying, hey, get your thrift store gift card. And I'm just like, that's low-key a good gift idea though. Gothic trims from Etsy, just like trims and just like fabric in general. A local fabric store. If you've been talking about like dyeing your hair and like, you know, bleaching it and all of that stuff, and just imagine if for Christmas, like you just got it, like, you know, you may as well do it now. Like, what's stopping you now? Like, you know, so I think that hair dye and bleach would be great for me because I also do bleach my hair kind of consistently. I haven't been doing it for a while because I want to give my hair a little break. I want to give it a little break now. She's gonna fall off. My hair can't hold up like people with like looser hair textures can. My hair will fall off. Like my hair will dry out. It dries off so easily. So I've just been concentrating on moisture. And that takes me to hair care products. I would love to receive some hair care products because they're so expensive. So shampoo, conditioner, rat tail combs because they're always coming up missing for some reason. Deep conditioner, leave-in, oils, all of this stuff. Like, I literally need this stuff so bad. Blanket, because blankets are perfect for the winter because it gets so cold. They're also cute, so it'll like spice up your area or whatever, because I like to put blankets on the couch and on my bed, so I could always use more blankets. I could never have enough blankets. Yeah, and that is about it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope I gave y'all some ideas or whatever, and see y'all next Wednesday.